And I think the blue ones by Tino Matea.
So please be guided, no? Kung kita ninyo mga flaglets natin, symbolize ko kayo colors. So, kung yung shirt color, bigyan mo sa mga sa color ng flag, kung na yun. So, para...
Sorry, just say daras color kung di kita, guys. Okay? Hindi lang sa Manila.
Sa mga bagong abot, welcome!
And of course, we'd like to welcome you all sa aton na third grand reunion. Okay? Isa taon natin na. Okay? Boy, kita response.
Gusto mo
guys?
Sino ka friend?
Sino ka friend?
Ay, wow!
Hindi na mga waboy friend na nagkakanugo ang
Pamahaw?
Pamahaw natin.
So, antisi ka mag-start para ma-energize kita.
Pero madumulay na kita karoon lang kita sa kita nakahal. Guys, gusto niyo sadyahan natin dyan? Rami ka.
Kasi mga bata, ako pasik-pasik ko.
Guys, we have lots of prizes and things in store for you today. We have games. We have also quizzes. We have also raffles. So there's a lot of things in store for us today.
With big prizes.
Very big, surmountable prizes, of course.
Prizes. So, dapat watch out for it.
And for kids, dapat nagdala ka mo sa inyo, nagdala ka mo na inyong soup, sa dating soup niyo. And please be guided again. We have house rules. Of course, this is instilled always by Talinda. If you want to use the pool, you can only use that using bathing suit or trunks for the boys, or swimming shorts.
Kala pa mo natin kung di ka na-energize. Magulagin mo, para sa atin raffle prizes. Baka may mga cash prizes. Care of and courtesy of Nestor Espina and Vivot Alamar. Thank you in advance. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much for all the donations.
So, pauna pa lang siya, pauna.
Hindi pala guys. Malay mo, kasi karoon may house and land na kaparapol. Malay natin, di ba?
May yun.
Oo.
Pakita ko na.
Wala natin lapit na kabalo.
So, gawin natin yung update natin mga...
Guys, we also have registration for your information. Please, we would like to find a coordinator for each of the family, big family. Please get, be registered.